Hello students, so in this video we will be solving a few more questions from the topic vector algebra. Before watching this video, I recommend you to kindly watch vector algebra part 1 and part 2. So the first question says, let a vector A such that lambda is greater than 0 makes an obtuse angle with a vector B, okay fine, and an angle theta, okay, theta lies between 30 and 90 degrees with the positive z axis, okay, if the set of all possible values of lambda is alpha comma beta except gamma, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to, okay, I think this is a fairly simple question. So the first part is vector A makes an obtuse angle with vector B. What is the condition, dear students? A dot B is less than 0, right? So if I do A dot B, what do I get? Root 2 into minus lambda square will be minus root 2 lambda square. Sorry, it should be minus root 2 lambda square. Next, minus 1 into plus 4 root 2 should be minus 4 root 2. And plus lambda into plus 4 root 2 should be plus 4 root 2 lambda. This should be less than 0. So I think I can take minus root 2 common. I get lambda square plus 4 minus 4 is less than 0. If I multiply with if I divide with minus root 2 on both sides, inequality reverses, we get lambda square. Achha, this should be minus 4 lambda. Lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 4 should be greater than 0. I hope you understood this. Inequality reverses because we have a negative side. Now, I think this is a perfect square. We can write lambda minus 2 whole square is greater than 0. This is true for all lambda belongs to R except 2, right? Because if lambda is 2, then 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 square cannot be greater than 0, right? Fine. I think that means gamma should be 2, right? Now, also a vector A makes an angle theta with the positive z axis, right? Positive z axis. So we'll do one thing. See, he's telling pi by 6 is less than theta is less than pi by 2. Now, since cos is a decreasing function, this is 0. Somewhere here we get 30 and somewhere here we get, now this is 90. From 30 to 90, cos is a decreasing function. So if I apply cos on both sides, I get cos pi by 6 will be greater than cos theta will be greater than cos pi by 2. Since cos is a decreasing function, this is a very, very important step. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 90 is 0. So we get 0 less than cos theta less than root 3 by 2, right? Now what is cos theta equals to? Achha, cos theta is a dot. So we will take a dot k by magnitude of a into magnitude of k, right? That's it, because cos theta is a dot k, right? Theta is angle made by vector A with positive z axis, right? So we'll take it in this way. What will a dot k be equals to? What will a dot k be equals to? That will be simply lambda, because correct, no? Yeah, numerator will be lambda, and what is magnitude of a? That will be under root of 2 plus 1 plus lambda square into magnitude of k is 1. So I think we get 0 less than lambda divided by under root 3 plus lambda square is less than root 3 by 2. So if I have to solve this inequality, so let us solve this inequality first. So if I do this, we get lambda by under root 3 plus lambda square is greater than 0. Achha, this simply means lambda should be greater than 0 because denominator is always greater than 0, right? Now I have to solve this inequality also. We have lambda by under root 3 plus lambda square is less than root 3 by 2. Achha, since lambda is greater than 0, numerator here is positive. See here, when we solve these two inequalities, we should apply AND condition, or we should take intersection, right? So numerator is greater than 0, denominator is also positive. So if I, now I can definitely cross multiply, right? See, if I don't know the value of lambda, then I cannot cross multiply. Since we are sure that numerator is positive, we can cross multiply. So we will get this. Now square on both sides, because left hand side is positive, right hand side is also positive. We can square, dear students. Otherwise, directly we cannot square. Anyways, so here we can square. So we get 4 lambda square is less than 3 times 3 plus lambda square. So ultimately we get 4 lambda square is less than 9 plus 3 lambda square. Ultimately we get lambda square is less than 9. That means lambda square minus 9 is less than 0. So from here we can say lambda belongs from minus 3 to 3. But if I take this and this, lambda should be greater than 0. So we get lambda belongs from 0 to 3. But we have to take this also into our consideration. Lambda belongs from all real numbers except 2. So he says lambda belongs from minus infinity to infinity except 2. And he says, now this person says lambda belongs to 0 to 3. Achha, between 0 and 3 do we get 2? Yes. So that means therefore, if I take inequality 1 and 2 into consideration, ultimately I can say lambda belongs from 0 to 3 except 2. Now this is of the form alpha comma beta except gamma. So alpha is 0, beta is 2, gamma is no, alpha is 0, and yeah, beta is 3, gamma is 2. What is he asking here? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma should be equals to 5. So 5 should be the answer, dear students. Let us go to the next question. Next question says AB and AD. Okay, let the projection of the vector V on the diagonal AC of the parallelogram. Okay, so we have A, B, C, D here. Projection of the vector V on the diagonal AC of the parallelogram. Acha, AC vector will be equals to AB vector plus AD vector, dear students. So if I add these two, what do I get? 2i plus I cap is 3i cap plus 6j cap, yeah, plus lambda minus 5 times k cap, right? So what did he give? The projection of V on the diagonal AC. That means V dot AC by magnitude of AC, mod of that is yeah, on the diagonal AC of the parallelogram B of length 1 unit. Okay, this is given. Acha, alpha comma beta be the roots of this equation. I think we have to first find lambda, right? Unknown lambda. Okay, so what is V dot AC, dear students? AC is this. So what do we get in the numerator? Now we'll take dot product of vector V and AC. What do we get? 3 into 1 is 3, plus 6, yes, plus lambda minus 5, right? Correct, no? Projection of V on AC will be V dot AC by magnitude of AC, and denominator, what do we get? We get 3 square 9 plus 6 square is 36 plus lambda minus 5 whole square. This should be equals to 1, right? So we get 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, so we get 4 plus lambda mod of that is equals to under root of 9 plus 36 is 45 plus lambda minus 5 whole square. So we are cross multiplying, dear students. Anyways, both numerator is mod of 4 plus lambda, denominator is anyways positive, we can cross multiply. So now I'll square on both sides. I get 16 plus lambda square plus 8 lambda is equals to 45 plus lambda minus 5 whole square will be lambda square plus 25 minus 10 lambda. So we can cancel this. 8 lambda plus 10 plus 18 plus 10 lambda should be 18 lambda. अच्छा 45 plus 25 कितना होगा भाई? 45 plus 25 50 plus 20 70. Now 70 minus 16 is I think 54. Yeah, that means lambda is equals to 3, right? So once we get the value of lambda as 3, so what does the equation? Now this equation we have to find 2 alpha minus beta, right? So that means you have to find the roots of this equation. What is lambda? Lambda is 3, so that equation becomes lambda square is 9x square minus 6 into 3 is minus 18 lambda plus 5. Okay, plus 5 equals to 0. So I think we can solve it. X will be minus b plus or minus b square will be 18 square is 324 minus 4 into 9 into 5. Achha, 4 into 5 is 20 and 20 into 9 is 180. So we get 324 minus 180 kitna hoga bhai? 144. So we get 18 under root 144 is 12. That means alpha I think is greater than beta, right? That means alpha will be 18 plus 12 by 18 and beta will be 18 minus 12 divided by 18, right? So 30 divided by 18. 30 divided by 18 will be 6 times 5, 6 times 3. Okay, beta will be 18 minus 12 is 6 by 18. So this should be 1 by 3. Now what is he asking, dear students? He is asking us to find the value of 2 alpha minus beta. So 2 alpha minus beta will be 10 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is 9 divided by 3, which is simply 3. So 3 should be the answer. I think option 1 is correct. Perfect. Think we are right? Yeah. Now let us go with the next question. Next question says a vector A is given, vector B is given, vector C is given. Okay, I think a vector V we can definitely find A cross B. V dot C is 11. Acha, then we get the value of lambda and length of projection of B on C is P. Okay, I think this is a fairly simple question. So procedure based, we will first find vector V. That will be I, J, K, 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 1, minus 1. Correct? So we get I cap into 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus j cap into minus 1, minus 6 is minus 7, plus k cap into 1 plus 4 is 5. So we get minus I cap plus 7 j cap plus 5 k cap. So this is vector V. Now V dot C, okay, this is vector V and C is lambda I plus j plus k. So what is V dot C equals to 11? That means, so I get minus 1 into lambda is minus lambda plus 7 plus 5 is equals to 11, I think, right? Correct? So we get minus lambda plus 12 is equals to 11. So I get I think the value of lambda is 1. Perfect. So length of projection of B on C. Acha, B on C. Projection of B on C is P, right? So P will be mod B dot C by magnitude of C, right? And what is B dot C, dear students? So lambda is anyways 1. That means vector C is I plus J plus K. What will B dot C be? It will be 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Yeah. Next, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 divided by mod C. Mod C will be under root of 1 plus, acha, from here mod C will be root 3, correct? No? Yeah. So we get 2 divided by root 3 is equals to P. So this is P, sorry. Yeah. What do we want? We want 9P square. 9P square will be 9 into 4 by 3. So I think the answer is 12. Straightforward question. Very, very simple. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, dear students. Meet you with the next one.